Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna be making this amazing bowl of red pea soup with chicken feet. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let's cook. So guys, in a medium-sized pot, there I add 2 cups of red kidney beans. I also went ahead and add pimento seed. Now I'm adding my chicken feet. You guys can go ahead and use chicken feet. You can use chicken. You can use corned beef, regular beef, turkey neck, chicken neck, whatever protein you guys have on hand. Now I'm gonna be adding some garlic, cloves of garlic. I'm gonna cover that and leave that to boil for about 45 minutes. Now guys, you always want to go ahead and check to see if your peas, if they're tender, and they're not. So we're going to cover that and allow that to cook for another 20 minutes. So guys, our peas is finally tender after 20 minutes. Now I'm adding my cassava, and guys, I promise I've never cooked this a day in my life, ever. I have never cooked cassava a day in my life. Now I'm just going to give this a quick stir. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the rest of my ingredients. So we have our diced potatoes, we have celery, we have chocho, we have corn, we have okra, we have some carrots, we have our Grace coconut milk, and our Grace soup powder. Now guys, before we add our veggies, we're going to be making our spinners. Now to make the spinners, you just need flour, cornmeal, and salt, and you're going to add water to it just so that the dough can form. Now to make the spinners, you're just going to pinch off a small piece of the dough, about 10 to 15 grams a roll, or I don't even know. Just pinch off a piece of the dough, guys, and you're just going to roll it in the palm of your hands, just in between the palm of your hands, or you can use a work surface just to shape the dough in a cylindrical piece. So guys, after I roll my doughs, I'm just adding them to my soup. Now guys, you want to go ahead and add water now and again, just so that the water doesn't boil out. Now guys, we're gonna add our veggies, and we're just gonna crank the heat down on medium low just to allow the veggies to simmer. I'm also gonna add my sweet potato and my yams, and I'm just gonna cook that for about 25 minutes until the yams are tender. Now I'm adding more water, guys, and I promise I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below. Now I'm gonna mix that coconut powder with 1 cup of water. Now I'm adding it to my soup, and then I'm gonna add the soup base. Guys, I also went ahead and I add 3 tablespoons of chicken base just to give it added flavor. Now guys, I'm adding in my corn. I'll also be adding the scallion, the thyme, and the pepper. Now guys, you see me adding another soup base because the other one, like, I don't know man, like the flavor it just lost. And I know my soup look a bit, you know, whitish, but promise you it tastes so good. It tasted so good. I needed more peas, but that was all I had, so you know it worked. The flavor was there, I promise you guys, it was there. Now I'm adding in my okra. Now guys, I'm just gonna let this simmer for an additional 15 minutes on medium heat, and yeah, we're ready to serve. And there you have it guys, our red pea soup with chicken feet is finally ready. It was so good. The flavor was there guys, I promise you it was there. It was so good. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Bye.